Tamari and soy sauce. What's the difference? Interchangeable in recipes, interchangeable with sushi. Um, I take this with me when I go to eat sushi. The difference is traditional soy sauce is made with wheat and soy, and tamari is made without the wheat. So it's typically gluten-free. Not always. You have to make sure that it is, because sometimes they might have a little bit of wheat in them. But typically it's gluten-free. Soy sauce, much more salty, much more salty. So if you're really looking for that salt kick, then you're going to go with soy sauce. More mellow, good for noodles. But like I say, if I go out for sushi, I bring a bottle of this with me because I can't have gluten. So there's the perfect answer. They taste almost the same. In fact, tamari pretty much tastes like low sodium soy sauce. So if you were to go buy this exact same product, but their low soy version of it, it would taste very much like tamari. I like tamari. I use it in my recipe for my marinade on beef jerky. Comes out just fine in place of soy sauce. And if I want a little more salt, then I could just add salt, and then I would have much more of a character of soy sauce. So give tamari a try. Why not?